Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and in this video I will be showing you how to remap the home button, this button here. Okay, so when you long press on the home button, it launches the Google Assistant, and to be honest, I do not like it. I would much prefer the button to do something else. However, if you don't like the Google Assistant and you wouldn't want it to launch something else, you can actually just disable it altogether, or you can remap it. So I'm going to show you how to remap it, and then I'm going to show you how to just disable it altogether. Okay, so just follow what I'm about to do. Pull down the notifications, go into the settings, and scroll down to where it says apps. Select it, and then select choose default apps, and then here where it says digital assistant app, select it, and then select device assistant app. Okay, so as you can see, it's set to launch Google. However, you can just totally disable it and turn it off. Now when you long press on it, nothing happens. Or you can set it to launch Bixby Voice. So the assistant will be able to read information about apps that are in use on your system, including information visible on your screen or accessible within the apps. So now when you press it, when you long press on it, it launches Bixby. Or you can remap it to launch Finder. So the assistant will be able to read information about apps that have blah, 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 blah. When you long press on it now, it launches Finder. Or you can just set it to launch the internet browser, Samsung Internet. So now when you long press on it, it opens up the Samsung Internet web browser. Okay, so I'm just going to keep it disabled. I don't want that button to do anything whatsoever. Okay guys, so that was just my video showing you how you can remap the home button to have it doing something else, have it launching another application, or disable it totally. Hope this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I will see you in the next one. I'm out. Deuces.